Ever wonder why some AI-generated medical videos look almost right, but still have major mistakes? Like a surgeon using the wrong tool or a heart that's the wrong shape. It's not just a glitch, it's a big problem. Today, we're diving into a game-changing project called MedGen that's fixing this issue and revolutionizing how AI creates medical videos. Let's break it down. The challenge: medical videos require precision. Unlike general AI tools that can generate random scenes, medical AI needs to understand anatomy, procedures, and real-world science. But here's the catch. Most AI models lack the specific knowledge and high-quality data to do this. They're like artists without a reference, producing beautiful but inaccurate work. Enter MedVideo Cap 55K, the largest and most detailed medical video dataset ever created. Think of it as a library of 55,803 carefully curated clips, from real surgeries to medical animations. Each video is paired with rich captions, like a detailed script, so AI can learn not just what to show, but why it matters. How did they build this? The team scraped 25 million public YouTube videos, then used AI to filter out the medical gems. They trained a system to spot relevant content, then refined it with human oversight. The result? A dataset that's not just big, but smart, capturing everything from anatomy lessons to complex procedures. Then there's MedGen, the AI model trained on this dataset. When tested against other models like Sora or Pika, MedGen blew them out of the water. It's not just about making pretty videos, it's about accuracy. For example, it can correctly show a surgeon using a scalpel or a heart beating in real time, without the glitches that plague other systems. But here's the kicker: the researchers didn't just create a better model. They designed new ways to test medical AI. Traditional benchmarks don't work here, so they built their own, combining automated checks with expert reviews. This means future medical AI can be evaluated on its medical smarts, not just visual flair. So what's next? Imagine AI that helps surgeons practice rare procedures, explains complex treatments to patients, or even detects diseases from videos. MedGen is a big step toward that future. It shows that with the right data and focus on accuracy, AI can become a powerful tool in healthcare, not just a flashy toy. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about how AI is reshaping medicine, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind the headlines. And let me know in the comments, what medical AI topic would you like to see next? Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's take a deeper look at how MedGen actually works. Think of training an AI like teaching a kid to draw. You don't just hand them a pencil and say, draw a heart. You start with basics, holding the pencil, recognizing shapes, and gradually building up to complex art. Researchers did something similar with their AI, using a recipe of settings to guide its learning. They set a seed value, like a unique identifier for consistency, a batch size processing 32 videos at once, and a tiny learning rate, like taking baby steps to avoid overcorrecting. Oh, and they used mixed precision computing, which is like switching from a heavy backpack to a lightweight one, faster without losing strength. But here's the twist: they tested two training styles. The first was full parameter training. Think of it as rebuilding the entire brain of the AI from scratch. The second, LoRA or low-rank adaptation. This is the smart shortcut. Instead of overhauling everything, the AI focuses on tweaking just a few key connections. It's like learning to play piano by mastering the most important keys, rather than every single note. And the results? LoRA cut training time in half, while still producing high-quality videos. But how do you know if an AI video is actually good? The team didn't just rely on looks. They put MedGen to the test against 15 other models, from open-source tools to big names like OpenAI's Sora. Yet here's the catch: a video might look stunning but still get the science wrong, like a distorted face or warped anatomy. To avoid that, they brought in 3 medical experts. They watched videos, rated them on accuracy, visual quality, and how well they matched the text prompts, all while keeping the sources secret. The doctor's feedback was so consistent, it basically became a gold standard. This meant the test wasn't just fair, it was scientifically rock solid. Then came the real test: VideoScore, a benchmark that measures how well AI videos align with human judgment. MedGen crushed the competition, outperforming models like Pika and Sora in both clarity and accuracy. Even more impressive, when researchers trained a similar model on 10,000 medical videos and tested it on completely new content, it still nailed the task. That's the power of adaptive AI, like a student who learns a subject so well, they can solve any problem, even ones they've never seen before. So what's the big deal? MedGen shows AI isn't just mimicking reality, it's starting to understand it. From teaching complex procedures to creating clear educational content, this tech is getting closer to matching human expertise, but way faster. Stay tuned as we uncover more ways AI is revolutionizing healthcare, one video at a time. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science shaping our future.